This project is designed to be, rather intentionally, a very significant challenge.
For us as a business, we're looking for solutions to some of the issues that we're trying to solve. So we set this challenge for the team of students here.
We take talented individuals as part of a cohort, we upskill them in our key topic areas, and then we let them loose on their own PhD research with their own specialist supervisors, all supported by industry.
The role of our team is to look at what we need to do to repurpose the gas network for use with hydrogen blends or hydrogen gas. The main issue is that when hydrogen interacts with our steel pipelines, it causes the pipe to become more brittle.
The group project this year was to design and build a pipe inspection gauge. It's designed to go inside of an active in-service methane pipe, such as we get on a natural gas grid throughout the country, and coat it with a special coating that's designed to stop hydrogen embrittlement. It has spanned all the way from the core chemistry of designing those coatings, applying them, through to the material science of testing the coatings, seeing if we can prevent the hydrogen embrittlement, all the way through to the robotics, industrial design and control for building that pipe inspection gauge.
We are pressure for the time.
I would say it's very exciting. I think everyone's pretty nervous to see at this late sort of hour how well the project will come together, because it all works individually, but it's all about bringing it together as one unified item.
Very nervous. It's a bit tight, but it's been a lot of fun. I've learned a lot of new skills. Very different to anything I've done before.
Looking forward to the testing. We've worked on it for a year, so I just hope it works. That's the hope.
Now we are ready. Nearly done.
It's something completely unique. At the end of it, the students have produced not only a recommendation set for the specific coatings to use on pipelines, but also the machine to go into that pipeline and coat it. And we had a great fun conference at the end of it, where they demonstrated it and they demonstrated applying this coating in real time.
It was quite heartening to see how much they threw themselves into this task. Our industry needs lots of skilled engineers, and these are the engineers of the future, the leaders of the future.
They pulled together as a whole cohort and delivered what they said they would.